Dumating na siya! Hello mga sassy, it's Megan Sass, and let's unbox my dream camera. So, in-order ko to siya last week sa TikTok guys, and dumating na siya. This is my dream camera, and I've been eyeing this camera since last year. So, medyo sikat na din siya this week, this past few weeks, it's been circulating on my FYP as well. Hindi ko alam, biglang ano siya. Baka siguro dahil mag-order ako. Kaya ganun yung lumalabas sa FYP ko. But, yeah. Ito siya. DJI. Okay, so this is the DJI Pocket 3. And I know some of you have bad experiences and some of you have good experience with this. But I still want to order my own. Para ma-experience ko din naman siya. So, I ordered the Creator Combo. Okay, ito siya. So, I ordered the Creator Combo kasi sa mic. I chose the Creator Combo dahil lang sa mic talaga guys. Kasi, kung bibilihin ko siya ng separate, yung camera, pati yung mic, then mahal na siya. So, ito siya. Okay, so this is DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Let's continue unboxing. Ito, this is my first camera pala guys na na-purchase. Kasi last year, diba, gusto ko siya last year. Pero naisip ko, um, since medyo ano naman siya, medyo may kamahalan din siya. So ang naisip ko, why not buy iPhone 13 na lang since my purpose is to film, to take a picture na hindi masyadong malaki. Because I'm using my iPhone 15 Plus and medyo malaki talaga siya guys. So mahihain akong tao. I don't want to wave my phone sa public. Kaya yung binili ko last year was the iPhone 13. Kasi malitong siya. And I could just take a pic and then tago na. But then, I just sold my iPhone 13 and binili ko tong DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So, ito yung laman niya, guys. Ayan siya. So, here's what's inside DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. So, first is yung pinaka-camera. Yan, si DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And then, meron yung protective cover niya. And then we have also, this is a wide angle lens. Ayan, makakonect siya dyan. We have the lanyard. This is, ayan, the handle. Ayan, this is the handle with 1/4 inch thread. So, ito yung, saan natin i-connect yung tripod niya. So, meron siyang kasamang tripod. So, i-connect niyo siya dyan and then connect here para mag-work. Ayan, and then ito naman siya is yung DJI Mic 2 clip magnet. So, meron kasi siyang kasamang mic. Ayan. So, ito yung windscreen niya para hindi masyadong maingay. Especially when nasa outdoors kayo. And this is the mic. So, pwede siyang i-connect dyan. Oops. Ayan. So, i-connect nyo siya dito. Ganon. Okay. And then we have here the battery handle. Ayan. So, ito yung battery niya. I-connect nyo siya dito for, yan. Ganyan. Okay. So, we also have here the charger, ayan, and the pouch. So, yung pinaka gusto ko dito is yung mic talaga. Kaya ako siya in-order as Creator Combo. Kasi pag binili mo is yung DJI Pocket 3 lang. So, wala siyang mga accessories. And kung i-separate mo siyang bilhin, si mic, masyadong mahal din siya. So, I bought the Creator Combo. And I've been searching, guys, the proper settings to have a good output for our DJI Osmo Pocket 3 para maganda yung footage natin. So, I'll share it to you once nasettle in na ako, I get comfortable with the camera and the settings as well. So, stay tuned!